Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your system meets the prerequisites, Windows 10 or 11 and the latest OneDrive app. Sign in with your Microsoft account so OneDrive can create the local folder and sync metadata. Once signed in, pause any running OneDrive processes and close File Explorer to avoid conflicts. This step lets the installer map cloud storage into the Windows shell. Make sure your internet is stable because initial file indexing uploads and downloads small metadata first, which prepares File Explorer integration. Next, open OneDrive settings and navigate to account to confirm the PC is linked. If not, add your device. Choose which folders to sync or enable files on demand to show placeholders instead of full files to save space. Once done, grant OneDrive permission to run at sign-in and access folders so it can register the OneDrive shell extension with Windows. This step creates the OneDrive entry in File Explorer and lets icons, status overlays, and quick access entries appear correctly. To finish, restart File Explorer or reboot the PC so Windows loads the OneDrive shell extension. After that, you should see the OneDrive folder and green/blue status icons beside files. Make sure sync completes for critical folders and that Files on Demand behaves as expected. If the folder is missing or icons are blank, run the OneDrive repair or reset from Settings Help in Settings. This forces re-registration with the shell. One key troubleshooting tip: reset clears cached state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.